What I wish I knew before driving at night. Why do deer freeze in headlights? Trust me, it's not what you think. Let's break it down. The real reason is all about deer vision. Their eyes are made to see super well in the dark, so when a bright light suddenly hits them, it's like sensory overload. They freeze, not because they're stubborn, but because their brains are trying to figure out if it's danger or not. Sadly, their natural survival trick doesn't work against cars. So next time, slow down and watch for wildlife. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing nature facts.